insectivorous plants. What I said? Insectivorous plants. See, by seeing the name insectivorous, insect we know already, isn't it? Insect means what? Poochi. Vorous, V-O-R-O-U-S. Vorous means eating, taking. Okay? So, insect eating plant. Insect eating plants. Insect eating plants. Insectivorous plants means what? Insect eating plants. The name itself says that plant is eating the insect, isn't it? How is it possible? Plant is a producer. It can prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis. We know it already. Then how can the plant eat insect? See, because such kinds of plants grows in marshy areas. Marshy areas we studied, no? Swampy, the area which is full of moisture, wetland. Then more sunlight also available. Deep forest. These plants grow in such areas alone, not here and there. Clear? See, we can see in India also in Kazi and Meghalaya. In state of Meghalaya, we can see northern side. Okay, in state of Meghalaya also, we can see these kind of insect eating plants. Insect eating plants. Clear? See, why these plants are taking insects? Why can't it do photosynthesis? Yes, it can do photosynthesis, can prepare its own food. But the food prepared by this plant is not enough for the plant. Some nutrients are missing. Some nutrients, sila sattu kedakkala. Because to compensate that, அதை ஈடுகட்டுறதுக்காக these plants are eating insects. These plants are eating insects. Why they are taking insects? In the soil, the plant where it's grown, no, that swampy region, wetland, the soil does not have enough minerals. So that to fulfill their mineral requirement, அந்த தேவையை பூர்த்தி பண்றதுக்காக, to fulfill their mineral requirement, these plants are eating the insects. Are you clear, children? So, different types of insectivorous plants are there. Okay, it's only the small insect, not a bigger one. Okay, smaller insects. See, many examples we can say for these insectivorous plants. Don't imagine these plants are not bigger in size. These plants are very smaller in size. See here, the picture plant. See, picture, P-I-T-C-H-E-R. Picture na paanai vadivum. Picture na paanai. Okay. Picture plant. Look at that. See it. This is only smaller. This much size only. One finger size only. It's not very big. Okay. Insect eating plants. Okay. It's a common name picture plant, whereas this scientific name Nepenthes. Okay. See, in this picture plant, the picture is hollow. Where do the picture grow? It's nothing but, the picture is nothing but modification of leaf. Leaf urumari irukku. Leaf picture ah valandirukku. Paana maari valandirukku. Okay, it's modification of leaf. So, hollow na vettidam. Ulla kuliya irukku illaya, the picture paana vadivula irukku. So, this hollow picture is filled with some nectar. Or teen maadi nectar liquid is there inside that picture. The smell is also very good. The nectar smell also very good. So, insects are attracted by that smell and the colorful picture. Let's look at the picture color, red color picture. Here in picture plant also different color pictures are, yellow color picture plant also there. So the insects are attracted by the color of the picture and the smell of the nectar. It come and sit on the edge of the picture, அந்த பானையோட எட்ஜில் உட்காரும்போது, okay, that அந்த குவளை, that inside the lid, மூடி, the lid closes. The lid closes and the insect fell inside the nectar, fell down inside the nectar. Then the lid closes. And the moody. Then that we say that it swallows and digests the insect. See, look at the picture carefully. The hollow picture is filled with nectar. When the insect sits on the sides of the picture, it fell down inside the hollow picture where the nectar is there. Okay, then it swallowed and digests. So the insect is swallowed by the picture and it is digested. Okay, so the lid closes. Okay, the lid closes and the moody the lid closes and it swallowed and digested. Okay, this is what we can see in picture plant. Okay, see, whenever you are coming across new words, you have to say it again and again. Okay, repeat after me. P-I-T-C-H-E-R, picture plant. Okay, see, this only given in our book. This is a scientific name, no need to memorize this. This picture plant, you memorize the spelling, it's N. Okay, clear children? Then this plant, what is this? Venus flytrap. See, Venus flytrap, V-E-N-U-S, Venus. Okay, that Mercury, Venus and all, no, it's a name of this plant. Okay, Venus flytrap. See, fly, small insects we call it flies, no, like that. A trap na enadhu sikka vekkradhu, T-R-A-P, trap. So look at this structure of the plant. See, actually that two leaves are there, no, it's a leaf only. That is leaf only. Okay, so this leaves, two halves, a single leaf is divided into two halves. Look at the corner of the leaves, a spine-like structures are there. It's also a very colorful plant. Inside that, this pink color is there, and these spines are green in color. So, because of the smell and color, the flies are attracted. When it sits on the surface of this leaf, okay, it have the sensation, immediately the leaf closes like this. The leaf closes like this. Okay, look at this. This is open leaf. Now see, it close. The insect is sitting on the surface of the leaf and immediately it closes. Isn't it? So it closes and it digested by the Venus flytrap plant. Clear children? So this is what we called Venus flytrap. Okay, the Venus flytrap leaf is folded into two halves. When an insect sits on it, the two halves close and the insect get trapped. Clear children? So why this and all happening? Why the plant is eating insects? To compensate the mineral requirements. அதுக்கு சில சத்து பத்தல, அதுக்காக இதை சாப்பிடுது. Okay, to compensate the mineral. Why the nutrients is required by the plant? Because the plant is growing in wetlands. So some nutrients are not there in that soil. So these plants are taking insects as food. Clear? Then these Venus flytrap and picture plant only given in our book. Clear children? But I given few more example because these plants are very colorful and interesting, no? That's why I given few more examples. Because you are small kids, I given few more examples. Simply you see these plants picture, but here in our book they mention only Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Okay, class, look at this sundew. It's a common name, Drosera. Okay, sundew, it's not common name. See the tentacles, we call that white color edges are there, no, tentacles. The insects are attracted by the softest tentacles and the dot are clear, white dots. These tentacles attract the insects and it get trapped and it digests. Okay, this sundew. Because it look like sun, not designed. Okay, then bladderwort, Etuclaria. So bladderwort, it's a water plant. Just now we studied about water plant, no? So this bladderwort also water plant. Vacuum space, அதாவது காத்தில்லாத space create பண்ணும் உள்ள. The insect, water insect, aquatic insects also there, no? That insect, when it goes nearby that, the bladderwort one door மாதிரி இருக்கும், குட்டியா ஒரு opening மாதிரி. It open and it trap the insect inside it and it get digest. So these are all Aldrovanda. Okay, just you know these names, that's enough. Clear, children? See, if you go in Google, you type insectivorous plants and watch few videos, it will give you some clear ideas. Here I can't show the videos. I kept only the pictures. Go in Google and type insectivorous plants and view some videos. Okay, clear, children? In water plants also we studied about many aquatic plants, no? Those plants, if you are going anywhere in botanical garden, in Irkad also botanical, UT also botanical gardens are there. Okay, தாவரவியல் பூங்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, botanical gardens. Okay, in hill stations we can see such botanical gardens. You ask them, is there any aquatic plants are available? Is there any insectivorous plants are there? You ask them, they will show you different types, varieties of plants. They will show you. They will show where, in which place it's situated. They will show you. But here in India, insectivorous plants are can be seen only in Meghalaya state, not in these botanical gardens. But we can see different varieties of aquatic plants. You ask them, they will show you. Clear, children? Now we'll see about grass family plants. Grass, you know very well, grass. So when we are seeing rainy season, those season and all, we can see small grasses are growing here and there. Clear? Those grass family. What are the different kinds of grass? What are its uses? So now we are going to study about plants of grass family.